Thank you so much for taking the time to come on this interview and tell us more about your experience. You, like I said, are one of the only computer science majors who are a part of our program. 99% of the students in the program don't know how to code or don't have computer science backgrounds. I'll just ask you to introduce yourself, tell us a bit more about you, who you are, and what made you want to join a no-code program, even having experience as a coder.
So why I joined the no coding, the virtual cohort, is because I started developing with OpenAI API with React, Node, and eventually I found out that it's taking too much time. And I found that no coding FlutterFlow, and I wanted to learn how to use that. And so far, my experience has been wonderful.
What were the parts of like FlutterFlow and no code that surprised you as a coder? Did you have any doubts?
My doubt was that when it comes to customization of the app, but besides that, there was actually a more good moment where it was just like easy to like implement new API calls like in a matter of 1 minute, instead of like creating a new file to create new API calls.
What technology do you have background in? You said React.
I actually have experience with React, Node.js, mostly JavaScript and Java, Python.
Wow. So you have experience with a lot of different technologies.
Yeah, I ended up experiencing a lot of technology because of working at different companies.
Wow. So even as like an experienced developer, like were you able to get value out of no code? And how do you think you will use no code in the future as you continue to become a software engineer? Because like a lot of people are saying that like, oh, is no code and AI a threat to software engineering? Like, how do you think about it as a software engineer?
I wouldn't say it's a threat to software engineers, because there's definitely a beauty of coding, and there's what coding can offer that maybe a FlutterFlow cannot. I mean, it could offer that. I haven't really explored the so I'm so sorry. This cat.
Bring him up. We want to interview him too.
Hello, Mamba.
Hi, Mamba.
Yeah, building and writing code, definitely there's many functionality that you can easily implement with using like libraries, like React libraries and stuff like that. Maybe FlutterFlow can offer that. I haven't really explored the.
Well, did you know that you can actually import Flutter packages just like Node packages?
No, I haven't really explored that functionality.
Yeah, the FlutterFlow allows you to, if it's available on the Flutter registry, you can just import it directly from Flutter. So just like NPM, Flutter has their own registry that you can import from. So like as a developer now, I'm curious because I want to know myself, like when would you choose to use no code and when would you choose to write the code?
I guess what user you're expecting is important. If you expect user to be on a mobile most of the time, then I'll say go with the FlutterFlow. Authentication part was really surprising how easy it is to implement.
Yeah. How was your experience with our coaches?
Oh yeah, that's what I found most helpful. How quickly they responded and offered the solution to the problem that I was currently having. It helped me move to the next stage very fast, and I really appreciate that part.
Yeah, I think you worked with myself and you worked with Moses a bunch too, right? And Caleb.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, that's awesome. I know it's like hard because like the technology is so new that not everybody knows it really well. So we kind of just have to come together to.
Yeah.
Do you think now that you know no code, you have the skills you need to bring any app idea to life?
Yeah. I definitely feel like I have the ability to bring any ideas to the light.
Nice. Would you recommend Ambitious Labs and our course to anyone else?
Yeah, I recommend it actually to my housemate who's a business major, junior in state.
No, I thank you, Luke. I know you were really eager to join the program. I'm really, really happy that you joined the program. Yeah, because your app came out great. You're obviously very, very talented. You come from a good background. And honestly, it was kind of fun seeing someone who has knowledge in coding come to the no-code world and build something really quick. And I think your app showed your app was really complex and you were able to build something that was pretty sophisticated.